Welcome to our tutorial about error handling. Previously in this course, we learned how to debug a Visual Basic program, recognize a runtime error, locate a logical error, etc. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to build a block of code that can handle a runtime error. We have the same program as we used in our previous tutorial. If I enter integers in both text boxes, the program works just fine. But if I use a string in the text boxes, I get a runtime error. How can we handle this? Well, we're going to write a catch block of code, which we're going to use to help us catch the error. It'll occur during the execution of the assignment statement. Okay, let's begin by typing try. Now catch. And end try. Let's put a message box function here. Open parenthesis, open quotation. Please enter a valid number. And let's close our quotation and close the parenthesis. Okay, let's see how this works. We place the try keyword right before the statement we were worried about. Now, during the execution of this statement, if a runtime error occurs, we'll go right to the catch statement and a message box will appear. Let's run our program and check it out. If I enter a valid integer, nothing happens. But let's enter a string. I get the message box, please enter a valid number. Click OK. Basically, instead of a runtime error occurring, we get this message box. If I enter a valid number, the program will simply run as before. There's another statement we can use also. It's called the finally statement. MSG box, open parenthesis, open quotation, my message. This is an optional statement that'll execute regardless of whether the error occurs or not. Let's run the program and see. Oops, let me fix my spelling mistake. Okay, now let's run the program and see how it works. We'll enter a string and test. Oops. Let's try this again. Okay, and test. My message. Basically, the finally statement gets executed regardless of whether the runtime error occurs or not. And this concludes our tutorial about error handling using the try-catch block of code.